Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are live. We are looking at the stock market as a whole. It is red everywhere. Taiwan, even Shanghai, even Malaysia, Italy. There's just blood everywhere. The global indices and the index futures, even the commodities here, some of them red. The bonds, we are absolutely getting torn apart here in the markets. We go to my watch list and we see plenty of stocks in the red. Some green here and there, but most of the good ones coming on down nice and cheap. Look at Nvidia coming on down. People thought, oh my god, it came up as high as 113. People were thinking, oh, this is it. We're going to recover. We're going to have a huge run. This is the big bounce. Guess what? It was a lie. And I told everyone in the Discord, do not get excited about right now. Do not get excited about this pump because it can easily come right back down at market close. And here we are. This is as bearish as it gets. People don't want to call it a bear market, but my friends, we keep creating lower highs. What did you expect? You thought we were going to just sit around, everything's going to go up, and we're going to make a lot of money. Guess what? The downside, there's bear markets. We take advantage of those by buying nice and cheap. I am waiting for Nvidia to get down under 100, and when it comes down that cheap, I will load up my boat. Right now, miners as well, sitting nice and cheap, coming even cheaper. Bitfarms coming down, Mara coming down. When you see this blood on the streets, that's when you want to get excited and go, yes, you're going to give me my favorite stocks at cheap prices. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm going to lower the boat. What's funny is the market started trending to the downside. Bitcoin has been doing so since March. Since March, it's been coming down. Since March, it's been in a bear market. And slowly but surely, it has come down from 73 to where it is right now at 57 and could possibly come down even lower. We'll see what happens here. Maybe we get a bounce. But right now, the market as a whole is struggling. SPY is breaking down below 550. If it breaks 550, we're headed on down to 40s and then 30s and maybe even as low as 511. Do not underestimate the ability for the stock market to give you good companies at cheap prices. It has done so before and it will do it again. So my watch list here, you can see I'm waiting for Tilray to come down nice and cheap too. I normally would buy at 1.7, but I'm like, you know what, let's hold on, let it come down nice and cheap, because clearly the market's just going to keep giving us some cheapies. BBAI, let it come down to 1.27. SoundHound, let it come down to 4. A lot of people thought, oh, it's bouncing, we're not going to see $4. Well, that's why I said, don't get excited about a green candle at open or in the morning, because it could easily come on down. Tesla stock breaking out. We do have the robotaxi event, so we might see some upside when that comes around. But other than that, I will not touch it for the time being. And finally, as we climb up the watch list, you'll see so many stocks. Here's ASTS pumping as per usual. But again, the market just too strong. Selling pressure everywhere. Even Actelis here showing weakness. I have not loaded this one. I said I was going to load it, but I decided, you know what, with the market moving the way it is, let's calm down. Let's keep it real. Let's wait and see what happens as we move along here in the markets. That is it for the video, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I already gave you the watch list. Be ready to buy. If you're in the trading Discord, get ready to make a lot of money when things bounce.